Welcome back to HKY. Today's topic is Introduction to Organic Chemistry, Class 8 and 10, Basic of Carbon Compound. So, study of carbon compounds, carbon and its compound is called organic chemistry. Occurrence of carbon. Carbon is found in the atmosphere, inside Earth's crust, and also all living things. Carbon is present in fuels like wood, coal, charcoal, coke, petroleum, natural gas, biogas, marsh gas. Carbon is also present in compounds like carbonates, hydrogen carbonates. Carbon is found in free state as diamond, graphite, etc. These are the main things occurrence of carbon. Bonding in carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic arrangement 2,4. It has 4 outer shell electron. Number of outer shell electron is called valence electron. So its valency is 4. It can be attained stability by gaining 4 electrons, losing 4 electron, or sharing 4 electron, or gaining 1. It have 3 stability. First one gaining 4 electron, second one losing 4 electron, or sharing 4 electron with other carbon atom or any other atoms. It does not gain 4 electron because it is difficult for the protons to hold 10 electrons. So it does not lose 4 electron because it needs a large amount of energy to lose 4 electron. So it shares 4 electron with other atom to attain stability, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. Since carbon atoms needs 4 electrons to attain stability, its valency is 4, it is tetravalent. So carbon have 4 electrons, so its valency is 4, that is called tetravalent. Next, formation of covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond formed by sharing of electrons between atoms. Covalent means mutual sharing. So mutual sharing of electron is called covalent bond. Mutual sharing of electron between two atoms is called covalent bond. Sharing of one pair of electron resulting formation of single covalent bond. Sharing of one pair of electron between two atoms is called single covalent. Sharing of two pair of electron resulting formation of double covalent. Sharing of three pair is formation of triple covalent. First of all, single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Its electronic arrangement is 1. It has valence electron 1. It needs 1 electron more stability. So two hydrogen atoms share one pair of electron, resulting in the formation of single covalent bond by hydrogen molecule. So one hydrogen contains one electron, another hydrogen contains one electron. So they are mutual sharing each other and joining together forming hydrogen molecule. H1 H1 1 H1, so H2 forming hydrogen molecule. This is an example for single covalent bond or one sharing of one pair of electron. So sharing of one pair of electron is called a single covalent bond. Very good example is hydrogen. Next one, formation of double covalent bond in oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. So electronic configuration is 2, 6. So it has 6 valence electron. It needs 2 electrons more to attain stability. So two oxygen atoms share 2 pair of electrons, resulting formation of double bond in oxygen molecule. So outer shell electron contains 6 electrons. So they are sharing a pair of electron. So that pair of electron, each pair is forming single bond. So two pair of electron is sharing between two oxygen atom, so forming oxygen molecule. Next, formation of triple covalent bond. Example, nitrogen molecule. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is 2, 5. So it has valence electron 5. It needs 3 electrons to attain stability. So two nitrogen atoms share 3 pair of electrons, resulting in formation of a triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. 3, 3. So 3 single pair, so the forming triple bond. So single bond hydrogen, double bond oxygen, and triple bond nitrogen. These are the 3 types of covalent bond in molecules. 2 hydrogen atom forming hydrogen molecule, 2 fluorine atom forming fluorine molecule, 2 oxygen atom forming carbon dioxide, 2 oxygen atom and carbon forming carbon dioxide, 4 fluorine and carbon tetrafluoride. First example, single covalent bond. Second example, also fluorine and fluorine sharing a pair of electrons, so single covalent bond. Here carbon and oxygen sharing same time 2 pair, so it is double covalent bond. Then for fluorine and carbon sharing same time 4 single pair of electron, so it is forming carbon tetrafluoride CF4. So H2, F2, CO2, CF4. CH4, carbon electron is represented by X. Hydrogen electron is represented by dot. So dot, 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 cross, dot, cross, dot, cross, dot, cross. That means carbon and hydrogen single pair is shown by carbon electron is cross, hydrogen electron is dot. So one dot cross is one single bond. Next same as. So carbon have valency 4. So 4 electron, 4 cross, 4 dot. So structure is like this. Another example, ethane molecule C2H6. Carbon, 2 carbon, so Cc, it contains a pair of electron, then remaining 3 valency for each carbon, so it is shown by X dot X dot. Here molecule name is methane because one carbon, so carbon contain only, this compound contain only one carbon, so it is meth. Carbon and hydrogen contain single bond, that is ane, that's why methane. Second example, carbon 2, so eth, carbon and carbon contain single bond, so ane, ethane. Formation of very large number of carbon compounds. Carbon forms a very large number of compounds because carbon is more than 3 million in this world. It is more than number of the whole formed by other elements. This is because carbon atom can form bonds with another atom by long chain, branched chain, closed ring. This property is called catenation. Carbon can link another carbon in long chain, then branched and also closed. That's why carbon can form many compounds. This self-linking property of carbon is called catenation. Since valency of carbon is 4, it can form bond with other carbon, with other example like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, halogen, etc. So carbon is a unique element because it has two main property. It have valency 4, it have catenation property. So these two property, carbon is tetravalent atom, carbon is having property catenation. These two property making carbon is a versatile compound in the world. First one, alkyne. Here name is ending with ane because carbon contains single bond. Carbon carbon double bond, so name is ending with the ene, so ene. Here carbon carbon triple bond, so name is ending with the yne, ine. So alkyne, alkene, alkyne. Next, isomerism. Carbon compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers. Carbon compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomers. This property is called isomerism. For example, butane C4H10 has 2 isomers. So C4H10 is carbon contain 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen. It is a normal butane. So carbon 4 carbon bute, carbon contains single bond, so butane. So we can draw another one, CH3, CH3. So we can say isobutane. We can give another name, 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane. We can give another name also. Same we can do up and down. We can change the branch up or down or left, right, like this. Next one, pentane. C6H12 have 3 isomers: normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. First one, normal pentane, C5H10. Second one, isopentane. Isopentane branch is coming up. Up or down is coming. Up or down is coming isopentane. CH3, 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 CH3. Another one, neopentane. Branch is coming up and down. So CH3, C, CH3, 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 C, CH3 twice, CH3. Carboxylic acid, COOH. Organic compound contain name ending with oic acid. For example, HCOH. How many carbon? 1 carbon. So methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, pentanoic acid. Ending with oic acid, starting the same as before. Meth 1 carbon, eth 2 carbon, prop 3 carbon, but 4 carbon, pent 5 carbon, X 6 carbon. Ketone, name is ending with on. Functional group is CO. CH3CO, CH3 propanone, CH3CO, C2H5 butanone, like this. So name is ending with the on. Propanone, butanone, pentanone, hexanone, like this. So once again, functional group, it is one atom or group of atoms deciding the properties of the organic compound. Very simply, we can say main agent of the group or main agent of organic compound is called a functional groups. First one, halo group. That means any halogen family joining with the alkane is called a halide. For example, CH3Cl, C2H5Cl, CH3Br, C2H5Br, CH3F, CH2H5F. Like this is changing. So like that. So name is starting with the halogen name, ending with the alkane. So chloromethane, bromomethane, like this. Alcohol starting with the organic compound, ending with the ol. OH is there, ol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, like that. Aldehyde also same, starting with the meth or eth. How many carbon is there depend upon it will change meth, eth, prop, end with the al. Carboxylic acid also number of carbon, meth, eth, prop, ending with the oic acid, COOH. So alkane, alkane different name is coming, but alcohol coming all, aldehyde coming al, carboxylic acid coming O. So in the case of alcohol, OH is the functional group, aldehyde CHO, carboxylic acid COOH, ketone CO. For that, CnH2n plus 2, we are putting n equal to 1. So C1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 4. 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1. So it will come, first member is CH4. So meth, 1 carbon, hydrogen 4, it is coming first member. So first member of alkane is methane. If n equal to 2, C2, H2 into 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So C2H6, it's coming 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen. So name is giving us eth 2 carbon, hydrogen is 6 is coming, so it is called eth 2 carbon. It contains single bond, so ethane. If n equal to 3, C3H2 into 3, 6 plus 8. So C3H8. So C3H8 is coming, it will come propine. Then n equal to 4, C4, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So C4H10 is coming. So carbon 4, but it contains single bond in butane. Then n equal to 5, carbon contain 5, H2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So C5H12. So this C5H12 is called a carbon 5 pentane. It contains single bond pentane. If n equal to 6, C6 H2 into 6, 14, 12 plus 2, 14. So C6H14 will come. That is hexane. Like this is going. Next, alkenes. Alkenes having general formula CnH2n. Their names end with ENE and members are the follows. For example, N equal to 2. For alkenes, minimum 2 carbon is needed because its first member contain minimum 2 carbon. So N equal to 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So C2H4. So 2 carbon, carbon contain double bond ene. So 18. Next 3, N equal to 3. So C3H, 2 into 3, 6, H6. So 3 carbon carbon double bond propene. Next one, carbon, N equal to 4. So C4, 2 into 4, 8, H8. So carbon double bond butene. Next is N equal to 5. So pente. Then carbon double bond ENE. So pentene. So ethene is the first member. N equal to 2. Propene second member. Butene third member. Third member. So first member ethene. Second member propene. Third member butene. Pentene. Next is coming N is equal to 6. C6H12. That is hexene. Like this is increasing. So number of carbon, if it is 1 at the number of carbon is 1 at the in the case of alkane only, but alkene starting 2. So if the number of carbon is 2 at the number of carbon is 3 prop, number of carbon is 4 but, number of carbon is 5 pent, number of carbon is 6 x. Like this is increasing. Next, alkynes. Alkynes have general formula CnH2n minus 2. Their names end with YNE. Members are given below. First member minimum 2. So 2 into C2, then 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 2. So C2H2. So carbon, 2 carbon at contain triple bond. So end with YNE. So ethyne. If carbon 3, C3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 2, 4. So C3H4. Next one, that is propyne. Next, N equal to 4. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. So C4H6, butane. So first member is ethyne or acetylene, propyne, butane. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. First one, combustion. Carbon compounds burn in oxygen to form water, carbon dioxide, heat and light. C plus O2, CO2. C is the symbol of carbon. Then C plus O2, CO2 plus heat and light. Next one, CH4, that is methane. Methane react with oxygen or burning with oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, CH2O plus CO2 plus heat and light. Next, alcohol, C2H5OH plus 3O2 gives water and carbon dioxide. 3H2O, 2CO2 plus heat and light. C plus O2, CO2, CH4 plus 2O2. Here 1 carbon, here also 1 carbon. Here 4 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. So total 2. Left and right oxygen is balanced. Then H4 is left hand side H4, right hand side 2H2. So number of carbon, number of hydrogen, number of oxygen are balanced. So it is an balanced equation for burning of or combustion of methane. Next, methane burning of alcohol, for example, ethanol. Ethanols react with oxygen forming water, carbon dioxide. So C2, 2C, H5, total H is coming 6. So 3H2. Oxygen 1 plus 3, 7 is same. So 3O plus 2O2, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 4, 7. So number of carbon, number of hydrogen, number of oxygen, all are balanced. Next one, oxidation. Carbon compounds or organic compounds like alcohols are oxidized to carboxylic acid on heating. Oxidizing agent is potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate. So alcohol are oxidized to carboxylic acid in the presence of alkyl permanganate or acidic potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate. C2H5OH. So C2H5OH, 2 carbon. So C2 carbon coming at carbon single bond in when a contain OH. So ethanol. Ethanol undergo oxidation. What is happening? Same time acceptance of oxygen or gaining of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, losing of once again losing of hydrogen, losing of electron, a gaining of oxygen is called oxidation. So CH3, C2H5OH, 2 hydrogen is removing, so C2, H4, COO, that means CH3COOH. So by oxidation, this ethanol is removing hydrogen, gaining oxygen, losing hydrogen and gaining oxygen. This is called oxidation. So CH2H5OH become CH3COOH. Next, substitution reaction. Saturated hydrocarbons undergo substitution reaction with halogens to form substitution product. For example, methane undergoes substitution reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight to form substitution product. Example, CH4 plus Cl2. So what is happening? One hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, then CH3Cl plus HCl. Then again adding CH3Cl plus Cl2, what will become CH2Cl2 plus HCl. Again adding CH2Cl2 plus Cl2, CHCl3 plus HCl. Again adding CHCl3 plus Cl2, CCl4 plus HCl. So like this. So we are getting by methane produces substitution reaction with chlorine in the presence of sunlight forming substitution product. So for first one CH3Cl, second one CH2Cl2, third one CHCl3, fourth one CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Some important carbon compounds or some important organic compounds. Ethanol, C2H5OH or ethyl alcohol. Properties: it is a colorless liquid with a pleasant smell. Then it is soluble in water. Ethanol can react with sodium to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. 2CTH5OH plus 2Na, 2CTH5ONaCH plus H2. Hydrogen is replaced by sodium, forming sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. Ethanol is reactive with concentrated sulfuric acid and producing ethene. This process is called dehydration. Here dehydrating agent is concentrated sulfuric acid, that means H2SO4, CTH5OH into CTH4 plus H2O. Then ethanol is used for making alcoholic drinks, used as a solvent, then used for making medicine like tincture, iodine, cough syrups, tonics and other things. Next, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid, pungent smell, sour taste. It is soluble in water. It is a solution of 5% water is called vinegar. Next, esterification. Ethanoic acid reacts with ethanol to form ester ethyl ethanoate in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So, by reaction of organic acid and alcohol producing ester. So, the reaction between acid and alcohol, reaction between organic acid and alcohol producing ester. CH3COOH plus CTH5OH gives CH3COH and C2H5OH. So H from ethanoic acid, whole from OH from alcohol joined together to form water. Remaining is joining together. So CH3COO, C2H5. So name is coming. The reaction is between carboxylic acid and alcohol to form ester is called esterification. So this product is called ethyl ethanoate. Sorry, ethyl methanoate. Here product is ethyl methanoate. C2H5 is ethyl. So ethyl ethyl ethanoate. CH3C, C2H5. Next, saponification. When an ester reacts with sodium hydroxide, the sodium salt of the carboxylic acid and the parent alcohol are formed. This reaction is called saponification. That means, so ethyl ethanoate CH3CO C2H5 plus sodium hydroxide is NaOH gives CH3COO Na plus C2H5OH. This is called saponification. Then ethanoic acid reacts with bases to form salt and water. CH3COH plus NaOH gives CH3COO Na plus H2O. H is removed by Na and H plus OH is joining together to forming H2O. So sodium acetate or sodium ethanoate. Product name is sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate. Next, ethanoic acid reacts with carbonate and hydrogen carbonate to form salt and water. First one, C2CH3COOH plus Na2CO3. 2CH3COOH plus Na2CO3. 2CH3COO plus H2O plus CO2. So sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. The next one, ethanoic acid is reactive with sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. Same reaction, CH3COO Na plus H2O plus CO2. Thank you for watching my all videos.